Hi, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're out in Winding Ridge in Wesley Chapel, brand new construction home. This is going to be a 3-car with baseboards, and on this job, at the owner's request, we are going to do the apron as well. So the slab is actually in very good shape. Got some stuff to detail in here. Going to fill the expansion joints. Now the reason why we talk about filling the expansion joints in every video is that what we do is we sand, we fill these in, and we put a compound in there. And the reason for all that extra steps is that it gives a seamless surface, and in the end you have a much nicer looking job. Just looks more finished and installed. So like I said, the slab's in very good shape. Well, we haven't started the grinding yet, so who knows, there may be a surprise or two. So the only issues is the lead-in edge. It's a tall one. So we're gonna give that a real good round over and smooth it all out. And when we chip it in, it's gonna have a real nice profile. And this is always the weakest part of the garage when you drive up and over it with your tires. So we always pay a lot of attention to detail when it comes to the lead-in edge. So we're going to chip up and over, and this is going to be a nice looking job when we're all done. And this color is going to be tan. Okay, we're all prepped up with our grinding. Got that Pure and Seal cap off the floor. We have our baseboards all marked off and primed. We have our expansion joints filled, which is going to give us that seamless surface. So we got a real good prep on here. We cleaned up these aprons like crazy. And as you can see, very importantly, really have that edge fixed up and rounded over. So let's get started putting some chips on this floor. Okay, we're all done with our 3-car garage. So this is a full chip job with baseboards, polyaspartic top coat, sanded and filled expansion joints. So we do baseboards on a lot of jobs. This job, the customer wanted the aprons done as well. This color is tan. So here's where we did that extra prep on the lead-in edge. Did a lot of prep on the apron as well. Here's where we filled in all those voids and rounded over the edges. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.